How to explore the Wix Studio Editor. So we have in here our Wix Studio Editor and it just functions the same as the previous Editor X of Wix. So for this one, we have in here our right hand panel or in here on our left hand, we can see in here the add elements option as well as other buttons like the layers, the pages, the visual sitemap, site styles, media, as well as a lot more onto this case. There's even a site checker for our actual site. Now, into our right, this is actually just a newly added feature. We can have in here our inspector. So you don't need to right click and click on settings anymore on each element because you will be able to see it all into this case. You can see in here the size, the design, layout, as well as the position, cursor, and anchor. We also have in here the option for the animation effects such as hover, click, and scroll onto the actual elements. So now we have explored the Wix Studio Editor. Hope we helped.